In this video, we show you how to crochet the small shell stitch. To make the gauge swatch, chain to 10 centimeters or to 4 inch. In row 1, do 2 double crochets in the 4th chain from hook. Then you skip 2 chains, do 1 slip stitch, then 2 chains, and then 2 double crochets in the same loop. Continue as before, so skip 2 chains, then 1 slip stitch, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets in the same loop. Once you're done with the first row, it actually gets easier. You basically just use the 2 chains of the previous rows, and then you work 1 slip stitch, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. At the end of one row, you use the 4 chain stitches to do 1 slip stitch. You turn with 4 chains. 4 chains and turn. And then you search again for the 2 chains of the previous row for 1 slip stitch, 2 chains, and 2 double crochets. This is how it's done. If you want to crochet our sweater, please look at sisterMAG.com.